Welcome to Riverside Auto Sales, Toronto's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great small sedan in our collection. A used This is powered by automatic transmission and has 125 kilometers. Experience unforgettable drives with our pre-owned vehicles, imbued with history and charm. Perfectly inspected and conditioned, promising reliability. Immense savings. Unbeatable prices. Explore our selection. Own the road, affordably. This used comes with many comfort and luxury, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with Démarreur à distance, air climatisé, fenêtres électriques, serrures électriques, sièges électriques, rétroviseurs électriques. Safety was put first by the following features: control de traction, alarme de collision d'avant, detection de déviation de trajectoire. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.